I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I'm having trouble with a kid in my class, but when I talk to his parents, they just say, he never acts like that at home. How should I respond? Okay, great question. One of the things you want to focus on is don't react, respond. Because when we react, we're usually coming from an emotional, like defensive, or, oh, of course they don't act like that at home, or of course they do, right? That's where you're going to go. But if you respond to it, you understand the perception of the parent. So there's this section of our brain that creates emotions. And when we feel emotions, it evokes motion, if you will. So that means that a parent is feeling defensive, they're feeling targeted, they react. And so they say they never do that at home. So that's kind of the motion they're getting through their emotion. So I kind of expect that to happen because that's a defense mechanism. You know what happens at home. So how you can respond can look something like this. Validate it. Say, oh gosh, okay, well, let me share a little bit more about what's happening at school. Like, don't get caught up in them kind of defending themselves. Just say, oh, in that case, let me share some more details of what's happening at school so you can understand it better. So here's some ways that I'd like to deal with that, but I wanted to kind of get your input. That's kind of how you can get a little better response from the parent versus us both just reacting to each other. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.